Unison is proud to be a principal sponsor of the Maraetōtara Trust. It all started back in 2019 with the late Pat Turley, who sadly passed away recently. He was back then the chair of the trust, and we started building this really strong relationship, and that's kind of where it all started for Unison and leading the way in terms of our involvement in this great initiative. Since 2019, a lot of trees have been planted along the riverbeds of the Maraetōtara River. Over 15,000 trees have been planted, and that's across 4.4 acres of land.
I'm Richard Stone. I'm the chairman of the Maraetōtara Tree Trust. The trust was formed in 2002, and our vision is to establish a corridor of native planting all the way along the banks of Maraetōtara, right from the head of the Maraetōtara Valley right through to Te Wanga, to ensure that the river is re-established as it was prior to colonisation, and to provide a bird corridor for the birds that are out at the Cape, so that they can come into town along the corridor into Havelock, into Tomato Peak, and that will ensure that we can have this river, have the birds, have the trees for generations to come. Releasing involves ensuring that the plant has a chance to get ahead of the grass growth.
And we have a lot of Unison's people out here today, and we're here just to kind of do a bit of weeding and just make the relationship alive so that we actually feel we can actually contribute rather than just financially. We're actually here to show that we really care about this and we get our hands dirty and we do a real work.
This year has been a hard year for the Maraetōtara Tree Trust. We lost our immediate past chairman, Pat Turley, and today we're going to plant a small stand of totara to remember him and hopefully for people to see it grow and see it develop, because his drive and his determination, his work ethic and his strength of character has been a huge part of the growth of this trust, and I think it's appropriate that we acknowledge him through planting a totara which will be here for generations to come.
Unison is proudly owned by the Hawke's Bay Power Consumers Trust, and part of our sustainability angle is we have sustainability within our vision, and it's very important to us as a business, and therefore leading a sustainable energy for us is more than just about electricity. It's also about the environment and how we can close a gate to the environment and how we can actually leave a legacy for our children.